up, gentlemen? So one of the byproducts of being a subscriber to the Alpha YouTube channel and having the notification bell ringing. What's that? It's not ringing? Okay, good. Woo! That explains the situation you got going on right there, because we covered that last week. I'm kidding. Gentlemen, make it ring, make it ring, make it ring! As I was saying, one of the byproducts of being a subscriber of the Alpha YouTube channel is that you become undeniably awesome. Apparently, undeniable awesomeness does have its downside, as I recently found out this weekend when I got into a huge fight with the missus. Check this out. The other night, my wife and I are going to this private event. It was a fundraiser. It was socially distanced. Everybody was rocking masks. Well, here's the deal. We walk in and we're talking and I'm saying hi to some people that I know. All of a sudden, I turn to my wife and she's super pissed off at me. I'm like, what is wrong with you? And she's like, did you see that girl? I'm like, girl, which one? And she goes, the pretty one. I'm like, no, I didn't see her. I saw her. She was looking at you and she was checking you out. I'm like, yo, I didn't do anything. Why are you mad at me? What do you want me to be? Less awesome? And it was downhill from there. But the upside to this bad situation is that it got me thinking about some other ways, psychological ways, that you can get hot chicks to check you out. The first psychological trick to get hot girls to notice you is to own the room, which is apparently what I did the other night. There is something incredibly attractive and magnetic about a dude. When he walks in, he makes himself big. Big, gentlemen, make yourself big when you enter the room. Big in terms of your presence, in terms of your personality, in terms of your body language. Owning a room does not mean hiding in the corner and being small and trying not to fit in and being awkward, even though inside you might be feeling all of those things. To the outside world, boom! Body language, gentlemen. You're walking in like you mean it. You got somewhere to go. You're making eye contact. You're shaking hands. You're laughing, moving from person to person, trying to work the room. Gentlemen, this is undeniably attractive. It is also undeniably sexy, which is why those spicy ass senoritas can't help but notice you. The second psychological trick to get spicy senoritas to notice you is to stand up for somebody who is getting treated poorly. So have you ever been somewhere where there's a customer that's yelling at a cashier or an attendant or something like that? If you can be strong enough to actually step in and say, excuse me, there's no need to talk to that person that way, or why are you yelling? If you stand up to somebody who's treating somebody poorly, gentlemen, it's like game over. You win in the eyes of everybody who is around, because most people are not strong enough to actually do that. Everybody else hears it, everybody else sees what's going on, but because of something called the bystander effect, nobody is actually willing to take action. If you're the man that is willing to stand up for the injustice and stop it, or try to step in to diffuse the situation, you look like a hero. You also look like super alpha, because all these betas were watching because they couldn't do it because they were weak, but not you. And guess what happened? That spicy senorita that was scared, right? Yeah, she's like, oh my God, if I ever get in trouble, if I ever have a problem, that dude is gonna take care of me. I think he's sexy. Now I'm gonna ask him to go home and do it. It could happen. The third psychological trick to get hot chicks to check you out is upgrade your style. Gentlemen, there is something about a dude that dresses well and stylish that a woman cannot help but notice, all right? What I am rocking right now, I got the simple basic tee, little denim jacket. I've got the gray G-Star Raw denim, which I actually got for a crazy deal, thanks to Shop Tagger, today's video sponsor, which I'll tell you about in a second, and some white, super clean, minimal leather sneaks. Gentlemen, here is the deal. Shop Tagger is a free app for your PC or your phone, and I have been obsessed. And really, the reason is because it's kind of like a personal shopping assistant, right? Now more than ever, it is critical to get the most value, the most bang for your buck. And Shop Tagger not only is going to save you money, it's going to save you time. So guys, Shop Tagger, I've talked about it before, and it is the biggest no-brainer ever. It's a completely free download, right? All you do, you hit that link down below, and you download it to your computer. You also download it to your phone. But then you go shopping, and with Shop Tagger, you have access to 5,000 different stores that you can actually save items from. And then you shop, and when you find something that you're like, yo, damn, that's sick, I want to save it to one of my wish lists. Actually, let me just show you. I am so addicted to this app. So check it out. I've created some lists, personalized lists. You can make them whatever you want. I've got jeans, I've got leather jackets, shirts, shoes, and suits. All right, my shoe game, I am trying to actually upgrade. And so today, let's shop for that. The way that it's gonna work, right? I can just go down here and I can search. Shop Tagger has basically 5,000 different stores. I know that Bloomingdale's always has a great selection of white minimal sneakers. All right, so check it out. You see that you actually have this little icon up there to show you that it's installed, and then boom, right there, that is where the magic happens. Oh, damn, right? Golden Goose, I kind of dig those, but $530? No way. I want to wait for them, but look at that, right? Save the item. Go up here. And then all you're going to do, select the size. I'm going to say I am a 8. All right. Notify me at any price drop, 25 or 50. I'm going to say any price drop. And then I'm going to actually add it to my shoes list. Boom, right there, done, and save. And then check it out. Go back to my profile. I'm going to go check out my shoes, and then right there. And then when an item goes on sale, boom, Shop Tagger sends you an email. It also sends you a push notification to your phone to be like, yo, it's time. Go pull the trigger on those badass sexy sneaks or those badass jeans or whatever you have added to your wish list. The other cool thing, say you're shopping, you see something, and you're like, yo, I love that. I'm going to buy it actually now. It actually will scan the internet to apply discount codes before you check out to make sure you're saving a ton of cash. Plus, Shop Tagger recently introduced a cashback feature. Guys, hit that link down below this video to go download Shop Tagger for free on your PC or your phone. It's a pixel. The fourth psychological trick to get super hot chicks, even not hot chicks, even average chicks, like any chick, to notice you is to expose the forearm. It's all about exposing a little forearm, gentlemen, because research has shown that spicy senoritas go loco when they see a dude's forearm. Apparently, forearms are like the sexiest body part next to luscious booties. The fifth psychological way to get noticed by the ladies is to smell amazing. Gentlemen, one of the quickest and easiest things that you can do in order to get noticed by people in a good way is to smell amazing, right? If you're rocking an incredible fragrance that you absolutely love, right? What happens? It boosts your confidence because when you smell good, you feel good. But when you're walking around, right, you're passing those spicy senoritas everywhere. What is that intoxicating aroma? Oh my God, they look and boom, it's you. Yeah, and you're just sitting there chilling, exposing your forearms. Look, all stylish. What? The way that you smell is one of the most important nonverbal communicating tools that you have. And the beautiful thing is that you've got 100% control over it. Certain things we don't, right? Like, I can't change the fact that I'm a short dude. I can't change the fact that I'm incredibly devastatingly handsome. Just kidding. Not kidding. But you can control the way that you smell. And the way that I control it is by rocking an incredible fragrance, gentlemen. I'm telling you, the thing that I love about fragrance as well is that when I spray it in the morning, right, it's like a boost of confidence. When you smell good, you feel good. When you feel good, it's noticed by spicy senoritas. The sixth psychological trick to get spicy senoritas to notice you without having to say anything is be successful. The cold hard reality is this. If you are successful, whether or not that is monetarily, whether or not that is professionally, whether or not that is socially, whether or not you got a lot of friends, whatever it is, people notice people that are successful. Do you think it's a coincidence that all these like super successful or popular dudes that are not classically good looking, and by not classically I mean they're kind of ugly, but there they are with super sassy senoritas and everybody like checking them out? Yeah, exactly. The reason is because they're successful. Gentlemen, it doesn't matter what you're successful at. If you're successful, people notice. The seventh and final psychological trick to get super hot sassy senoritas to notice you, get a dog. It doesn't even need to be a cute dog. Literally, like, the uglier the better. If you can find one with 3 legs, grab that one. If you can find one with like a missing ear, like an underbite, anything that's a little bit weird and like cute and like, oh my God, look how cute, right? That's what's gonna happen. So there you are, walking your ugly dog. I'm now gonna get boycotted by PETA. I don't care what type of dog you have, how amazing, how handsome, how cute it is, or how whacked and jacked it is. I want you walking it because women psychologically will be like, oh my God, it's so cute. And if it's a homely looking one, look out, like game over. You don't ever have to talk. Sweet.